In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find bus routes in Google Maps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Maps. And now let's say I would like to get to that location. I'm just gonna tap right here to set my destination point. And let's say now I would like to take a bus to go right here from my current location. In this case, guys, basically all we have to do is just tap right here at directions, and it will show me here several routes which I can use to get to that location. That's how I can easily switch between that routes. And also keep in mind that currently it creates these routes based on our current transport type that is currently selected. Currently, as you can see, car is selected. However, we can easily switch it to bus, walk, bicycle and airplane. To switch it to bus, just hit right here. Unfortunately, Google Maps doesn't work properly on my region. However, if on your it works correctly, then you will see here several bus routes to take, and here you can choose whichever one suits you the best. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.